Hello, it's Angelis Monroe. Get ready and come visit us. Villa de Leyva is located in the department of Boyacá, West Tunja, the capital of Boyacá. Villa de Leyva is considered the most beautiful town in Colombia for its colonial architecture and history. They have stipulated and is a national monument and one of the most recognized tourist destinations nationally and internationally. In Villa de Leyva there are many tourist attractions to visit. The city has incredible historical, cultural, and natural creatures. You can enjoy the natural attraction, the festivities, the gastronomy, and the tourist attraction. Duration of trip. The trip will last 3 days and 2 nights. What will be done? Visit museum, nature reserve, restaurants. Means of transportation. The means of transportation that can be used during the trip are bus, taxi, private car or motorcycle. Activities to do. Day 1. You will visit the urban center and its tourist attractions. It will be a passionate walk through the main square, Antonio Ricaurte Park, Prehistoric Museum, Paleontological Museum, and finally you will visit the Astronomical Observatory. Day 2. It will be a day of natural attraction. You will visit the Iguaque Flora and Fauna Sanctuary and the Iguaque Lagoon. That will be the only route because it requires physical effort and good water. In the evening you will visit the Chocolate Museum. Day 3. It will be a day of extreme fun, mountain on activities. We will visit the Blue Wells, the Terracotta House. You will also visit the Pericara Park. There will be an aerial bicycle tour, Taibasa Bridges at Adventure Park, and one canopy line. Places to stay. Hotel Arcoiris. It is hotel surrounded by mountains and is located 7 minutes from the Paleontological Museum. The room have attractive views and are very comfortable. Hotel Casa Quintero, located 100 meters from the main square of Villa de Leyva and 300 from the El Carmen museum. It is a very quiet hotel. Typical foods. Typical foods. The soups are traditional and main part of gastronomy such with cuchuco, cold soup, ajiaco, boyacense casserole, and red root, among others. Roasts of lamb, beef, and pork. The typical thing to drink is corn chicha, also a good herb, lemonade, cherry lemonade, mullet wine, cappuccino, beer, among others. Cost. The cost of these packers is 3 million pesos. Thank you.